So this is component hardware, and we are demonstrating our new electronic lift-off hinge. What we have developed here is a revolutionary hinge which allows for lifting off of the door panel, releasing the connection, the electrical connection, and then reinstalling back into place without the need of an electrician on hand, and the maintenance team will then be able to use full LEDs for data or displays. This comes in single, double and triple cables and finishes with a nice lift-off classic hinge. Hope you enjoyed the demonstration, and we'll speak soon. Thank you.